Hi guys, one of my subscribers asked me what he needs to do after his spouse sponsorship application was returned because it was deemed incomplete. So this is not something uncommon. It happens with many people. Sometimes people forget to put a signature and sometimes they forget to include a mandatory document like a form and all, and then it is returned to you because it is deemed incomplete. So there are certain things that you need to keep in your mind at this time because of the pandemics. First of all, I have already shown you an official tweet from IRCC where it says that a signature that you put on a form is valid for 3 months only. So if your application was filed more than 3 months ago, I mean, let's say 6 months ago, and it has been returned now, the signatures are no longer valid. Second, certain documents like police clearance certificate, you can check the validity on IRCC site. They have certain validation period too. So if that has been crossed, what does it mean? They are no longer valid. So there are few things you can always do. I'm, I'm not saying you just follow this video. Of course, this is just to provide you the guidance, but do your research, do your due diligence, and if anything comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask or express. I welcome all negative feedbacks also. So what you can do, like if your application, first of all, I wish it does not get returned to you, and I tell everyone be very careful, analyze, evaluate that if you have done any mistake in form, if you have missed anything, and make it like review it multiple times before you send it to IRCC. So check it once it comes back to you, how it has been, and then based on that you take up the call. Anyway, so suppose unfortunately it has returned to you because you missed to include a document or a form, I should say. Then of course you are going to send it to them again, but see about signatures if you need it or not. Because what would happen if you send with if you send the same application, if they find it's like outdated, they can again return it back to you. On the other hand, that you must do is always download forms from IRCC site. Do not download from any other site because IRCC keeps on updating forms. So you would like to send the latest package to them rather than something here and there. I mean, you don't want to send them old forms, right? If they have updated a form, you should send the updated form as possible for you. So always use the updated package that you get from IRCC site. That helps you. Thank you for now, guys.